Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and today I finally got my Chromebook, and guess what? They didn't deliver it to my house. I had to actually go down to UPS and get it because they couldn't get in the building, and then when they did, I don't know. There was a note on my door, but they said it was at the facility, so I don't know why they would put a note on my door that they came here if I told them I was going to go pick it up. So I don't know. Anyway, but I got it. So I did open this part of it because I had to see and make sure that my Chromebook was in there. But I haven't opened the Chromebook. I haven't opened anything yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this right now in front of you guys. So let's get it done. As you see, this is a Chromebook laptop. And it comes in this little box here. I already opened this like I told you, so let's see, what does it have here? Let's move this back here so that I can have it on here and see. Okay, so what is this? Okay, love doing that. Uh-oh, is it dirty? Oh, that's just the package. Okay. Here we go. That's all it was? Just this? Oh, but this is... I was like, that's a weird looking laptop. But that's just the box. I think there's another box I gotta open. Oh, look, I didn't even have to go get scissors or anything. It's just easy to open. That's kind of cool. It looks brand new. Let's hope it's brand new. I know, the King Love. Yeah, you. Hey, what's up, yo? I know you wanted me to get a different gaming laptop, and maybe in the future I will. But for now, this Chromebook just kind of was fast, easy, kind of cheaper, and it suits my needs for right now. But I really probably want to get the one you recommended me next time. Just like the next car I want to get is probably going to be better than the car I have now. I just have a Hyundai. I want like a BMW or a truck, actually. So, all right, look at this. It's pretty easy to open. I like that. This plastic is just like really, really easy to maneuver. See, you can just rip it. It's not like you're fighting it the whole time. So I like that. It's easy to unbox that way. Okay. Oh, it smells. It smells good. Oh my God, dude, I wouldn't expect that. I'm not weird, I'm telling you. It smells like a new, you know, that new item smell? Oh, it smells good. It almost smells like a new book. You know, like if you smell, except without the page, I don't know how to, like a hardback book, a hardcover book. Not the page smell, but kind of like that. Weird. All right, let's see. How does this open? Is there a special way to open it? Oh, it just opens like this. Okay. It's making a funny noise. Did you hear that? It sounded like a truck backing up or a fart. Oh, okay. This is cool. All right, so here we have this. See, guys? You can actually see under it, it says Samsung. So this will match my phone. It doesn't say on here, but this is the Samsung Galaxy phone. This is the S21 Pro or Plus or whatever you want to call it. And this is a Chromebook, and I know it's smaller. It's like the whole box is smaller than this laptop right here. You see that? I never... You should read the front camera resolution. You might be disappointed. It's going to be better than the one that I have now. So I might be disappointed. I might not. Oh, did you know that it's manufactured in Vietnam? Not joking. Let's go over to this page so I don't remember to make my head smaller. Hold on, where does it say? It says it on this side. You got to get real close in there to see it. See it there? Manufactured by Samsung Electronics in Vietnam. I thought most things were made in China, but I guess ever since Vietnam, we get along with them, so that's good. They make manufacturers really good ones, in my opinion. Now, the resolution for the camera. What the heck is this? Warning, reproductive harm. I don't like that. I don't want to use anything that's going to cause reproductive harm. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It has a little little pull thing. See that? I can just pull it out of there like that. Oh my god, dude, look at that. Oh no. Hey, if you guys smash that like button real quick, it might get more people over here. And King Love, please do me a favor. Before I finish unboxing this, let's try to get people from Express Crypto over so that I can finish unboxing it the rest of the way. And then I will open it up. I'll show it to you guys. We might start it if it's charged. If not, we'll have to charge it. And then we'll get to the crypto video after that. I just want to make sure that everybody sees this. Unboxing Chromebook right now. If you want to see, please join. Okay. Now let's forward that to the inner council room. And Express Crypto. And I'm just going to say I'm live right now. Let's see, who is it? I'm going to direct it at somebody, though. I'm going to follow the rules, man. That's what they told me to do, so that's what I'm going to do. You know, I'm going to follow the rules. I respect them over there at Express Crypto. I know he was kind of just probably joking about the taxing me, but they have been, you know, trying to say that I can't post ads, but I never have posted ads. I just talk about my channel, which is they said I could do, and then PM the people the link. So that's the most that I do. But now I'll just, instead of, you know, directing it at nobody, I'm going to do my best, like, to follow the rules, right? So I'm going to direct it at a person, and if anybody else sees, then that's cool. And then if I don't, I'll put it in an ad, like I said, right? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to try to make it work for all of us, and maybe one day they will eventually sponsor me. If not, oh well, it helped a lot, you know, get my channel to where it's at now. Actually, my channel is probably big enough now to go off on its own, but I still love Express Crypto, and there's a lot of people, and it's a gateway to get a hold of people too. So, you know, it's all good, man. I'm all for the positivity. I don't like to burn bridges. I like to always, you know, keep, you know, that bridge built just in case, you know, they need something from me or I need something. We're at least, you know, able to talk about it. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean that, yes, because we have that bridge, they have to do it. No, it just means that bridge is there just in case if we agree on something later on. But yeah, anyway, you know what I mean? It's all about positivity, getting connections with people, you know, building, you know, your environment and the people that you want around you, right? Because I don't want to build a community of people I don't like and the people that don't like me, right? Why would we want a community if we don't like each other, right? So we're building a community not only for crypto, but of friends, of like-minded people that care for each other, you know, which is weird because we don't really know each other except for on the internet and on videos and how we talk and interact in these places. We do kind of know each other. So you got to just take that for what it is. And that's why we're making a community of like-minded people, and we're doing everything that we can to allow people to express themselves here freely. So that's what we're doing. Unboxing Chromebook laptop right now on live stream. Come check it out. We are live now. That's not an ad, that's just me talking to a friend, you know, letting him know that I'm live. Now, I might actually put an ad, though, because that would be good if I could get people over here. And I don't mind paying a couple hundred Satoshis. It's just paying all the time. It would get tedious to pay all the time, and it would just be not cost effective. And I won't be able to give out Satoshis forever, guys. That's going to end probably in the next couple of months. So I do that because I like a lot of you on EC, and it helped, you know, get my comments and stuff. But if you notice, my biggest viewed videos, they hardly have any comments on them. They hardly have, you know, they have a ton of likes. But, you know, it isn't just comments and stuff. Actually, the most commented videos that I have actually have some of the least views. So I don't know how the algorithm works that much, but anything, I'd do anything to try to, you know, figure it out. So, and giving Satoshis to you guys and helping you out, I don't mind. Unless you're rude or mean, then I just block you. But most of you guys aren't, and I've only had to do that to 1 or 2 people. So that's amazing, because I deal with thousands and thousands of people. You'd think it would be more, but it's not. There's a lot of good people that, you know, are around. I just kind of block and don't listen to the rest of them. So add, let's see. Let's just do it. So copy. Let's go over here. Chromebook unboxing, then Altseason Tsunami video. You guys are going to like what I have to say in this video later in a minute too. I think we're going to have the biggest alt season in the next couple of months. It's going to be the craziest ever. In the short term, we might need to be a little bit leery of what's happening, these big pump and dumps. So let's just be careful of that. But please come check it out. Best comment gets $5. See rules for details. And then the link, of course. Right, there we go. Cool, there it is. Okay, now that we have the ad out, I think we should be good to go. Sweet. Robin's cool, man. I like her. She's so nice. She's generous, too. She's one of the nice people. I like her. Robin, if you guys know her from Express Crypto, a really nice lady. We've ended up butting heads a few times, but it wasn't over anything, you know, anything. Just kind of accidents. Like, she won the jackpot I was trying to get. Just stupid stuff like, you know, it doesn't matter. It's not like she did it on purpose, you know, stuff like that. So, anyway, I just like everybody now. Like, I don't hold a grudge. I know a lot of people do. If you have a one little instance with certain people, they just blacklist you forever. I normally don't do that. I give people 2 or 3 strikes, or even 4 or 5 sometimes, just depending on, like, family, they get more than that. But some people I'll give several strikes, depending on, I mean, strikes have levels, right? If somebody does you dirty, they get 1 strike. But if they just do a little thing, you know, you give them a few. But, okay, so let me check and see how many people are on here real quick and see. Oh, cool, 5. So that's good enough for me to say, okay, well, 4. That's good enough for me to say we can do the unboxing, and that will be cool. So I just wanted as many people here to see it as possible. So, hey, thanks, Andy Dunn. Let me see what King Love is. You should read the front of the camera. The same company that makes Lenovo notebooks. Oh, this is a Lenovo notebook that I have right here. It's an Intel Core. It's called an IdeaPad. So, handling it can give you cancer. Oh my gosh. Dang, I had to do the outfit today for the unboxing. I was looking for gloves, and I almost did it, guys. All I could find was an oven mitt, and I almost used that just to like have a glove, but that would probably look stupid. But it would have been kind of funny, maybe. I don't know. Meeting the hype. I don't know yet. I just got it. I'm just unboxing it now. So let's see. Okay, guys, let's do it. Enough hype. All right, here it is. We got it out of the box. All right. Oh, it's kind of heavy, but it's thin, super thin. Look how thin that is. Like, I mean, this is the thinnest of it. Yeah, that's the thinnest computer I've ever had. Wow, it's heavy though. You wouldn't think it would be that heavy. So it's actually heavier than. Yeah, it's a little bit heavier than my bigger computer, and this thing could fit inside of it. So, all right, now let's look at this. What else it comes with this? Okay, that, and then a nice big plug-in, and then what is this? What is this, guys? Do you know what this is? It has like two little. Can you guys see this? What is this? It has two little like spike things in it, and it's a metal ring of some kind. A clip. Does it clip onto something? Maybe for this. It could be for the charger. Maybe. It doesn't say. Maybe there's something in here about it. So I guess these are the instructions. Quick start guide. I'm not going to go and read all this or anything. I'm just trying to find out what that thing is. Warranty. That's it. So quick start. I don't know. Do you guys know what that is? Shiba Inu? We'll get to that. That usually the problem, mostly the hardware. Yeah, you're right. And I want to get a good laptop eventually. And this one's decent. It's better than the one I have now. But let's see. Let's get it out of here now. Now that we have all of the stuff unboxed, let's open up the laptop. It's like an envelope. See that? Like an envelope. You just open it up like a file. Oh, look at this file. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like it. I like it, guys. Except it's kind of upside down. Because it opens this way. Oh, I guess not. Because if it opens that way, that will be right side up. Okay. It just feels backwards. But as you see, Chromebook. Alright. Now let's open it up here and look at it. I hope it isn't anything funky on the inside. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that screen. Nice and just pristine, new. Has this thing on there for the keyboard. Nice new keys. It is oh, okay, so this is definitely better than my last one. The operating system was an i3. This is basically the same laptop, guys. You were right, King Love, because this one is an Intel Core i3 10th generation. And this, as you see, this one is, hold on, let me go back to the other page so I can see what I'm doing. 5th generation, or i5, 10th generation, I mean. So Core i5. It is definitely better. I could have gotten an i7 or i8. But they were a lot more expensive. So there it is, guys. Nice laptop. Now I'm gonna get it set up, and the next live stream that you guys see me do, we're gonna see if the camera and the audio are better on this, which I almost guarantee they're gonna be, and then go from there. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna put this away, and we will get into the cryptocurrency video. Just thought I would share that with you guys. I know that people do unboxing videos on YouTube, so I was like, well, let's do a crypto unboxing laptop video. You know, whatever social media demands, we deliver. So that's what we do. All right, I still don't know what this clip is for, guys. If you know, let me know in the chat. I'm going to look it up later, but not right now. If you guys want to look it up now, you can let me know. Okay, let's put this away. It was definitely brand new, though. That's the good thing. That's what I was checking for, because sometimes they will send you a refurbished one as new. So that's what I was going to be leery of if they were trying to do that to me. Now, here's my drink. Alright. Wow, it is super hot in here. Let me see if the heat's on. That's why. Roasting. An air conditioner. See it in the background there? That's my air conditioner. Right there. See it? There's a fan in the back right there. And then there's an air conditioner right there. That thing is awesome. Best air conditioner I've ever had in my life. Better, not quite as good as a swamp cooler sometimes. The swamp cooler at its best can be really, really cool. But for now, yeah. All right, let me take a drink here, minimize my head because I'm going to remember this time, and then we'll get into the video. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you like that unboxing. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you smash that like button right here, I always get the sides mixed up because they're opposite. So if you smash that like button right here and you subscribe to the channel, it makes me smile. Like that. You don't have to see the ugly smile like that. But I will smile. So let's do it. Let's get this to the next level. We're going to do some news. We're going to talk about some crypto. I might have to go back into the, well, actually, I can do it over here. And go into the, what you would call it, description. And make sure that I have all of my notes, and it's just kind of, I got to see, you know, what I called the video so that I can go back and, you know, understand where my mind was and what we're doing in the video. It's been a long day. I've had a lot of bad things happen. Something happened to my brother, I'm not going to say, and I'm worried about him. And so if you guys, I know you guys don't know him or anything, but anybody, if you guys want to pray for him, that would be awesome. Just pray that he'll be all right. And anyway, so we'll get to crypto right now. And the one that I really wanted to start off with, first off, is XYO. And the reason that I wanted to start off with XYO is because it has gone crazy. Now, this was a crypto that started from an app called Coin, is where I originally think the XYO came from, and nobody thought it would do good. I actually never downloaded the app for a long, long time because I thought it was just kind of out there. I didn't think it would succeed, but then again, I didn't look into it. And when I don't see it, when I don't like a coin, I don't really research it until, I find something that I like about it. But sometimes, if you hear about a coin, you might just want to research it, even if you don't like it, because you might find that you do like it. You just didn't know that you did because you didn't know enough about it to like it. That's just the same with people. You can't like somebody unless you learn who they are. Like if somebody treats you rotten all the time, you're not going to like them. So, same with crypto. If XYO just dumps all the time and you never make money, you're not going to want to use it, right? So, this is making major money. It's doing big things. So, and it was, taken in by Coinbase and a lot of other major exchanges. And that was the game changer for XYO. And that's why you see it go from, let's look in the last 7 days. Okay, actually, let's do the month. Okay, this is a more clear, a clearer picture. I almost said more clear, but it's a clearer picture. So it goes from, like 2 to 3 cents right here and kind of goes all the way down to 2 cents again, back to 3, and then hi, yeah. This is our first run up right here, our very first major run up besides 5 cents. I think that 4 or 5 cents was the biggest before that. So, yep. So we go back 3 months. We had our first run up back down to 2 cents. Second little run up to 4 cents. 3 something 4. And then major run up. And then the dump. Pump up. And then the dump. A pump up. And then the dump. see a pattern here? Even when it went all the way to the top, it went way up here and then way down here. Way up here and then way down here and then up again. So almost every time this crypto goes down, it goes right back up even higher, or at least up. So even right now, I would wait for this to go down, and maybe it's going to do it again. I mean, it's been doing it for the last week or so. Why wouldn't it continue? I don't know. Not financial advice. I'm just thinking to myself out loud right now, like, what are the chances it's going to continue to do this? The next dip, it's probably going to blast off again. And people do that. They sell at the top. That's why the price goes down when it does, is because somebody sells a lot of the crypto at that price, and it pushes the price down. And then more people buy in at that price thinking it's a dip, and then more people sell off, so it goes even further down. And then now people buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell. So there you have it. And the volume, 150 mil, that's pretty good still. So, and because normally it's around like 20 mil or so. So that's like 7x more than it normally is. In the last couple days, it's actually even up 23%. So, my head is getting hot. I might have to take the jacket off too for a minute. Whew! I mean, I turned the heat off. I didn't know why I had the heat and the air conditioning on at the same time, but I think I turned the heat on earlier and then I started to get hot, so I turned the air conditioner on and forgot to turn the heat off. I think that's what happened. What was that? Have to pick that up when we're done. Okay, now this is another huge one, guys. Oh my goodness. Wait, is my head minimized? I think, yeah, I did, right? Okay, we're good. Now, I am in kind of the way, though. All right, let's go over here. There we go. All right, Cartesi, guys. What is going on with this one? I mean, this is doing amazing. Look at this. All the way from $1, blasted up all the way to, I don't know, $1.70. And then back down to $1.30. All the way back to $1.50. And then back down again. Back down again. And then all the way back up and up, 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 and up. And we go. And then boom, 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 snowball, 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 snow. And then it went down all the way to here. But look at the volume increase from over here just steadily up and up and up we go. Didn't go down much here, you know. Went up there, kept going up, kept going up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now it's going down, now it's going down, now it's going down. So, like how I do that, sing song it. We're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Now we're at the top. Bing, ding, 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 ding. Now we're at the bottom. All right. So, oh, and it's right here too. Guys, IOTX is down to 17 cents right now. What the frick? What is going on? Now, if you follow this crypto, you know what I'm talking about. You know why I'm doing this. And if you don't, you probably think I'm brain damaged. So, because you're like, man, that guy is losing it. No, there's a reason. Look, okay, I'll show you why. I mean, you can see it right here, but that doesn't do it justice. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, but this doesn't do it justice either. This is just today. This is not the normal IOTX. Now, if anything is like it was before, if you don't buy this right now, you might want to never invest again because you don't know what you're doing. No, I'm just kidding. But you might want to really research this right now because look, I'll just go back 7 days and then point made. Should I say anything, or do you want me to tell you why my point has been made, or can you see it right here? Let's just look at this. Okay, that's kind of arrogant. That sounded a lot more arrogant than I'd wanted it to. I'm sorry. I was just trying to be, show how smart you guys are, because, I mean, you just see this, right? I mean, I'm not the only one who sees this, right? And what am I talking about? Well, look at these giant pumps, and then resets, and then giant pumps, and then resets, and then giant pumps, and then resets, and then giant. Should I keep doing it? Should I keep saying it? Now you get it. Now you see why I said that. Look at that. And then, yeah, now we're down. But every time it goes down, what happens? Boom! Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Boosh! That one wasn't as good, but so like this one. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we're going up. Nope, we're going down. Just kidding. Blast! We're going down. Nope. Oh, we're going down. Nope. Bloosh! And it just did it over and over and over again. And these might not look like much, but while it was happening, it was going from 10 to 20 cents each direction. From, let's see, 22 up here, all the way down to, well, 18 it says, and then all the way up to, and it was higher than that too. I think it was like 30 cents it went up to. Yeah, it went up to 50 cents, guys. This thing's lying. This chart right here is lying to us. Or they don't have it wicked. These might be only the closing prices instead of the wick, because this went up to 50 cents, you know that, right? And it probably went down even lower than that too. So these were actually much wilder swings than this chart lets you to believe. I'm telling you that 100%, because let's go look at Coinbase and I'll prove it. I mean, I know you guys believe me, but I just want to prove, it's always better when, not prove it like, I told you so, but, show the evidence. That's what I mean. You got to show that evidence sometimes, and it helps. So maybe it won't show it on here either, but we'll see. It did before. It didn't show it in the week or the month, but it did, or the month or the year, but it did show it on the day and the week, I think. It says it's sitting at 30 cents right now. Hold on. Yeah. On Coinbase, it's sitting at 30 cents. Right now. How can there be such a discrepancy in the price? What is going on, guys? Do you see that? That's live right now. You don't believe me? Look, this is live price. This isn't a screenshot. You can see. That's not a screenshot. See? What's up with that? I mean, you can sometimes get like a penny or two different, but 13 cents difference? I'm going to go buy it on CoinMarketCap and sell it on Coinbase. If that's the case, I'll go buy for 17 cents right now and go sell it for 30. Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're telling me right now? That I can go buy this for 30 cents right now? Or, I mean, for 17 cents right now. Hold on, guys. Hold on. This isn't right. We need to figure this out. What is this? 17, 30 cents right here, right now. Okay. If we can, I'm buying it right now on live TV because I'm going to make a nice profit right off of that. Let's see. Okay, we need to reset just in case. Is this old news? Absolutely not. Okay, we need to go to a different source because I'm tripping out now. CoinGecko. Well, I didn't want Pup Doge, but thank you anyway. Look at Pup Doge. It's actually up. How many zeros? Still 9. Okay. Anyway. Wow, it is up. From where? What? Is this thing still in circulation? Wait a minute. 7 days. Let's see. Did it go up? No. 14 days? It did go up. This month? Yeah. Oh, that's when it went way down. See, it is starting to go back up, though. So, I don't know. Pup Doge. Meme coin. Trading volume, $490. Yeah, no, it's broke. Okay. Never mind. But let's go. Okay. IOTX. 17.4 cents. Hold on. Now, if I try to buy it on here, how much is it going to be? Oh, I don't think you can sell it on Coinbase, can you? Now, hold on. If I buy $10 worth, how many IOTX does that give me? 29. Is that how many I should get for $10? 29 of them? 29 divided by 10, right? That's 29 cents is what it's charging me. Wow, dude, I just found a discrepancy in price. This is called arbitrage. And if I can go somewhere and buy IOTX now, I'm going to go look for it right now, guys. Sorry that this took precedent, but this is really important. We could make a lot of money right now. Somebody needs to help me figure this out, guys. Seriously. I need some intercouncil activity right now. What are we going to do about this, guys? Are we going to let this slide, or are we going to make some money off of this? What is this? Is this a money-making opportunity? I think it is. I really think this is. Now, I'm going to go to exchange right now. Okay, now I need to find if they even have it. Nope, they don't have it. Okay. Think, Jeff. Think, Jeff. Think. Okay, where else can I go? Binance US won't have it. I can't use Binance. Kraken, maybe? Let's look at Coinbase Pro. Ah, Coinbase Pro. Yeah, right? Put a K in and cross your fingers, I know. Right? So, let's look at Coinbase Pro because it might be down too. And then if it's No, it's at 29 cents on Coinbase Pro. See? This is huge, guys. We can make some money. I think I'm gonna put $100 in just to see, like for real. I don't know if I want to trust 1,000 in there, but you have to be able to buy this somewhere. Where can I buy it? Okay, here. Let's try this. Where to buy IOTX?
According to CoinMarketCap, IOTX can be bought and sold on many exchanges.
Weeble.
Binance, Huobi Global, HBTC, XBTA Global, and BCC Exchange.
Okay, Binance, HBTC, oh, BCC. I don't know any of those. KuCoin. Oh, shoot. If I could do KuCoin, hold on, let's see what it is on KuCoin. Because if it's at 17 cents on KuCoin, man, I'm buying it right now. Actually, I'm going to check and see if I can sell on Coinbase first. Hold on. You might not be able to sell it on Coinbase. I think it only said buy or trade. Oh, I could trade it, though, for another crypto at a lot more money. Because if we're 30 cents, they give me 30 cents worth for it. Okay. Okay. Dude, this is awesome. I shouldn't have said this out loud to people because now I'm probably, everybody and their brother is probably doing this now. No. Oh, I don't want spot or future. USD. There we go. I don't see it here. XYO is over here. Jasmine. NFT USDT. What the heck? Yeah, this thing has literally everything, but I don't see IOTX anywhere. Oh, wait. There it is. Found it. So there, it is at 17 cents. Oh my God, guys. Hold the phone here. Hold the phone. It's a pen. Oh, okay, thanks. I did not know that. Yeah, because it is a touch screen too. But guys, this is what I want to show you. We can talk about the Chromebook later. But oh my God, guys, we can make some real. I mean, if I knew better, I would put $1 million into this crypto right now at 17.9 cents. Because if you look over here right now on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, both are selling for 29 cents right now. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. 30 cents. And I'm keep on refreshing, thinking it's going to change, but it's still 30 cents. See, I refresh. Hold on. There you go. Still's the same. Let's change it to the day. Hold on, sorry. Let's change it to the hour or the day. See, this is a real chart. I'm putting $100 in. I have to. I mean, now let's see, trade. Convert IOTX or buy IOTX. It does not let you sell. And I don't know if that's just because I don't have any or if you can't do it. So now, if I tried to sell IOTX $1 worth, it won't let me do it because I don't have the money in there. If any of you become rich because of this, don't forget me, please. Because this, I mean, it's at 18 cents. It was at 30 cents. It was. And it dumped on here to 18 cents. Look at that. This one. It was at 30 cents. You see that up there? And it's at 18 now. So, guys, I got to buy this right now. Hold on. How much money do I have in here? Login disconnected. No. What about my, I thought I had a stupid thing, man. Okay, just give me a second. It made me re-log in. No. There it is. USDT. 18 cents, baby. Can I withdraw? Hold on. So if I just buy, yeah, 24-hour high, it says 25 cents, and 24-hour low is 17 cents. See that? And it's still 30 over on Coinbase. This is a discrepancy in price that I need to take advantage of. So how am I going to do that? I guess I could send some Bitcoin over there and then trade the Bitcoin for IOTX, or trade it for USDT and then trade it for IOTX USDT. Oh, but it needs to be USD or just regular IOTX. Hold on. Because that's IOTX USDT. I need IOTX USD. And it does, I don't think it has IOTX USD. Yeah, it only has IOTX BTC and IOTX F. That's the, and IOTX USDT. Let's see if Coinbase Pro has IOTX USDT and see how much that one is. Because that might be the reason, guys. It might not be a discrepancy. It might just be the USDT one is lower than the USD one. I don't know why that would happen. But yeah. It sold the Doge. Yeah, you're right. Well, ERC, what do you mean sell the Doge? Because I would have to transfer it to Coinbase to sell it. So I couldn't transfer it to Doge first. Because then I would get it at the price from KuCoin. But after I sold... you just confused the heck out of me, bro. IOTX, yeah, it doesn't have IOTX USDT, I don't think. Nope. That's the problem. Yeah, I figured it out. That's why. Because you can't buy IOTX USD on KuCoin. It's USDT, and they don't have. You could buy IOTX Europe, but they don't Euro. They don't have that. They don't have IOTX BTC. They don't have IOTX ETH. So that's why they have two different prices. I'm 100% sure of that. So we figured it out, guys. It's not something you can take advantage of. Dang it. I was thinking that, 17 cents here, 30 cents here. If I buy for 17 cents $1 million worth, I sell it over here for almost double. I get like $1.8 million? No. Because you can't move it to there with that money. That's the problem. You can't get it to there. You can't get it from KuCoin to Coinbase without selling it cheaper first. Who did this? Who ruined IOTX in two different places? Did we catch a glitch in the matrix, guys? The glitch in the cryptocurrency matrix? This is pretty cool, actually, man. Made my night. This is why you're not rich? Why? Because they don't let you, yeah, me too. This was a good idea, guys. This should have made us all rich, dang it. For real, buying at 17 cents and selling at 30. But there's no way to get it from IOTX USDT over to Coinbase IOTX USD. Now, if you don't, you know what I'm talking about if you're a cryptocurrency trader. If you don't trade crypto, you have absolutely no clue what I am talking about right now. But, dang it. I thought I had a riddle solved and a mastermind plan, but it's all right. It'll come. Let's go to the questions, guys, because I want to see what you all have to say about all my crazy antics and everything today. Okay, let's go back up, all the way up. Oh, you guys have been talking a lot. Man, I hope we get 25 viewers. I want to give away some money. Let's see how many we get. Oh, only 11. Darn it. But that was when I was talking about them making big money. That's why it peaked for some reason, man. Everyone's like, oh, big money, huh? And they're like, oh, there's no big money. I'm out of here. I'm just kidding. That's funny. What's up, Andy Dudes? My buds? Oh, it's a Renico Womble. Hey. I don't know if it's meeting the hype yet. We'll find out tomorrow night, though. And maybe it'll make my voice sound better. Maybe it won't. I don't know. I don't know. Now, does anybody else like that that song that everybody does on TikTok that sounds like a bunch of like balls bouncing or like a jackhammer? It goes boom, boom. That one, you know what I'm talking about? It's stuck in my head right now. I don't know. Even the Burger King one, the commercial, he does it too. I just like the sound. I don't know. It's the coolest sound ever. I'd like to do, like, if I ever made a rap song, I would want that sound in it. I don't know why. When I use an Asus Chromebook, it does the job. I think it's better than my Windows 10. Okay. Lenovo is good stuff. Peanut butter is said to give you cancer. Life is too short. Eat PB&J anyway. I didn't know peanut butter gave you cancer. Dang. Everything gives you cancer. If you fart the wrong way, you can get cancer. For real. So, there are hit and miss laptops. It's not the OS that's, yeah, the hardware. Okay. Well, you want a good operating system. But I just want a good camera and microphone. What do you have to say about Shiba Inu? Okay, let's do it. You guys want to talk about some Shiba? Shiba. I'm actually, you guys won me over for Shiba. If you didn't know, I used to not like Shiba for one reason and one reason only. Because it has a quadrillion coins. That was the only reason I didn't like it. Now, when they introduced burning and, stuff like that, and now there isn't a quadrillion, but only half a quadrillion. See, it still says there's a total supply of 1 quadrillion. But how much of that has been burnt, and how much is going to be burnt, has a real effect on the price. Now, this is a good buy-in price right here for if we have a major blast-off again. Now, if it doesn't, that you could see more bleeding of the price into the near future. Let's look. Okay. Is this SHIB? Wow. Okay. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Price, volume, price, and then price in Ethereum, price in Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, I think it's gonna dip. Well, I mean, it's on a downward trajectory, but there might get a breakout. So I would wait until the reversal, because there will be a bottom right here, and then maybe that could possibly be a good buy-in opportunity if you're trying to ride SHIB even higher. Not guaranteeing that it's going to go higher, and this is not financial advice. I do this for entertainment purposes only, common sense rules. So that's what I see here. It is on a downward trajectory. There could be a reversal breakout at any time. So keep an eye out for that, and then maybe you could have a chance to buy the bottom, right? So, yeah, because everywhere, sorry, getting back to IOTX for a second. Everywhere that IOTX is IOTX USDT, it's at 17 or 18 cents. Everywhere it's IOTX USD. Well, this is supposed to be IOTX to USD, but that's not true. Because let's even go to TradingView. Let's see. Yes, this is USDT. And it was way, 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 way up there. And don't ask me why it's at a different price. I don't know. Because this one says USD, right? And that was my case that, oops, the IOTX was USD at 30 cents and USDT at 17, but that's not right because this is supposed to be IOTX to USD right here. So, I don't know. I don't know, guys. If you can find a way to get it from KuCoin over here, yeah, it's starting to dump in price over here now. It's at 28 cents and dropping over here. So maybe it just dropped over there first and now it's catching up over here. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. IOTX. Okay. Oh, it has IOTX Euro. Can you get IOTX Euro on KuCoin? Now, if I can get IOTX Euro, IOTX F, IOTX BTC, but no IOTX Euro. Let's go into the Euro. Where is it? Euro, you got to be here somewhere, no? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm going to try to figure this out more tonight, and if I figure anything out, I will let you guys know. So, what else do we have to do here tonight? We talked about everything except Graph and AMP and Ethereum. So, let's go to Ethereum real quick. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, but we're going to get into Ethereum too. I just want to look at Bitcoin really quick first. Okay, 65, we're holding steady at 65. I don't think this is the end of the bull market. I don't think this is the top of the domed house because we are barely even above that. And the domed house is normally farther up here a lot, at least a significant amount. So I don't think that this is the top of the domed house yet. So in the three peaks and the domed house pattern. Now let's go to Ethereum. And oh my goodness, new all-time high right now? Is that what I'm seeing? Oh, did we just have that? Yeah, 48.10. Is that the all-time? That's the all-time that I see. Yeah. Oh, nope. We have a 48.63 up here. 48.42, 48.68. So 48.68 looks like the top. And we just might come and touch that again right now. So go Ethereum. Let's go to a new all-time high, and let's just blast off. This one is actually doing better than a Bitcoin compared to where it was to where it is now. Wow, Ethereum, good job, dude. And it's above all of these moving averages by a long shot. I mean, these moving averages are looking at Bitcoin in the rear, or at Ethereum in the rear view. Like, or not in the rear view, but Ethereum's looking at those in the rear view, and those are looking at Ethereum through a dang telescope. So, yeah, and the volume is coming in pretty good too. So, good job, Ethereum. Now let's go look at AMP. AMP. Now, AMP, is it a good buy? Does it just ruin all of your money? Did it even go to an all-time high this cycle? No, it didn't. So, and it might, and it could, and it's good. Look at that, it's going up now. It's actually 5% in the profits. Yeah, 6 cents, baby. All day, just going up, going up, going up, having dip, buying opportunity, up and up and up and up, and buying opportunity, and buying opportunity, and up and up and up and up. Maybe a buying opportunity, maybe not. Up and up and up and down. Maybe a buying opportunity, maybe not. Up and up and down, and a definite buying opportunity right here. Up and up and up and up, and here we are. 60 cents if you would have even bought in at this dip. Well, you wouldn't have been a whole lot higher than you are now. But going back 7 days, you can see some crazy stuff going on. Major peaks, major valleys. Major peaks, major valleys. Major dumps, major pumps. Huggaroos, kitty dumps. I don't know. Coin market cap sucks. No. I actually like CoinMarketCap. I don't know. I'm just weird sometimes. But okay, now the last one, but certainly not least, and one of my favorite cryptos of all time that I have made multiple times profit, and I just can't get enough of it. The graph. Now, when I was telling you guys to buy at 60 to 70 cents and telling you they were dream level buy-in prices, I really wish you would have listened to me. I really wish you would have listened to me. I really wish you would have listened to me, because I don't say that at all. Now, if you ever hear me, listen for these words, guys. Now, I'm not trying to be condescending. Sometimes I come across that way, at least to myself. When I hear it back, I'm like, wait a minute, that wasn't supposed to sound like that. But when I tell you something's at a dream level price, and you see me scrambling to put all the money that I could possibly find into that crypto, well, that might just be a sign that, yeah, that crypto is special. There's something going on, because Jeff doesn't do that ever. He'll put money into crypto, but does he scramble, and does he say dream level prices and do everything he can to buy the crypto at that price? That's when you know I'm serious. And now look, it's almost double that price right now. I'm just saying, whenever you hear me say that, take it seriously, because I don't use that lightly, ever. And you probably won't hear me say it very often, ever, because I'm not going to. I know how important that is, and I want those words to mean something. So when I say these are dream level buy-in prices, your ears should perk up. Your attention should, your eyes should dilate. Like, for real, you know something special is about to happen. So, yeah, just know that. I'm exaggerating a little bit just to get my point across, though. You get me? Exaggerating a lot, but you feel me, right? So let's just go back and look, guys. I mean, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but kind of not really. Because look, $1.07 up here, right? And I was telling you, it goes, every time it goes under $1 in a bull market, it's going back above $1. Now, it did take a long time. If you look here from the beginning of September all the way through October, all the way through September into October, almost to the end of October before we actually started pumping. Now, I actually made a mistake and got out at 97 cents. But look, as it went to whatever 97, this is actually when it went to 97 right here. I sold out at the top thinking that was going to be the top. It went way back down. I should have bought back in at 87 right here because I was going to. And then it pumped all the way up to $1.15 and continued to go. So I was saying anything between 60 and 70 cents are dream level prices, and it is. I mean, look how far down that is compared to, I mean, all time even. So the only time we go into these are in bear markets. This was the bear market, the Bitcoin bear market. And we were at 70 some cents in the bear market. So when we're at bear level prices in a bull market, and I tell you it's dream price, you definitely need to perk those ears up because I will make it known. If I know. I mean, I can't call them all, but I can do my best. And look at this constant trajectory up here, too. So I'm going to be looking for a new buy-in price for the graph. I really want this coin for the long term. I've done a lot of short-term trading, but I'm going to, start putting stuff in my longer-term portfolio like the graph. I want to wait till the bear market, though, before I do that. So I'm probably not going to add a lot of my long-term portfolio until we go into a bear market. So for right now, all I am doing is adding to my bull market portfolio. And what that means is I'm doing short to medium term trading besides my Bitcoin. That is going to be my long-term trading. And then I have several different day strategies going on right now. And those are buying hopefully at 17 cents on one exchange, selling it for 30 on another. That's a dream thing. But I don't know how I would be able to do that to move it over to there. Because it wouldn't be possible, in my opinion. I don't know how that would be possible. So, if you know, let me know. All right, cool. So that's about everything. We're gonna wrap this up after we do a little bit of Q&A. See if we have 25 people, so we can give away some crypto and call it a night. I just want to take a second to thank each and every one of you that are here right now. But I also want to thank each and every one of you that have supported me at any time during my journey here. At some times, I never thought I would get to 1,000 subscribers. There was a few times that I almost gave up that you guys didn't know about. I literally almost quit because it hurt, putting all my effort into this and not succeeding. So you guys constantly having my back and showing up day after day after day and supporting my content, commenting, liking, like I'm tearing up a little bit because it means a lot to me, guys, and I just can't thank you enough for that. Like, this is one of my dreams that I didn't even know that I had until I started doing this. Like, this could be my career. I could actually do a career and have something that I enjoy doing in my life for a job. I never thought that would be possible, to have a job that I liked. Because every time I've worked, it's always been to get money to pay for something, or take care of someone. That's the only reason I've ever worked before in my life, is to pay for something or take care of someone. So now that I can work and do something that I enjoy, that brings me happiness, that distracts me from, all of the other things in my life that aren't so good, that it makes me focus on the good things, then it's positive. I mean, how can you go wrong with something like that? And I can't do it without you guys. So you're the reason that I didn't quit. You're the reason that I do this every day, that I didn't give up. Not those people, even the people that commented and said, oh, when you get profit, buy yourself new teeth. Even those guys, they meant to be trolls or whatever, but even them saying something, they don't know my situation. I actually don't care. And it doesn't bother me in a way that, oh, I'm going to quit because people are talking. No. You have your right to say anything that you want. If it's too negative, I'll erase it. That's all there is to it. If you're just saying some stuff to me, I'm going to leave them there. Because then I'm going to let everybody else see what you say. That to me is better than erasing it. But if it's too derogatory, I'm just going to erase it. because I don't want my people to have to see that. But if it's just something like you're being mean to me or bullying, I'm gonna leave it there so that you have to live with you bullying me later on, like that, like, right? If someone does that, the worst thing that you could do is just ignore them and be like, dude, it really doesn't bother me, you guys. You know that, right? Like, it literally doesn't bother. You can say anything you want about my teeth. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. What would bother me is if I led one of you into a bad trade and you lost a lot of money. That would bother me. You talking smack about me? Dude, I'm from the, like, you don't realize I was from the street, right? So that doesn't bother me at all. You know, I've been clean 11 years, but I still am from where I'm from. So don't ever forget that. You know, and I've changed a lot. Before, yeah, I would have fed right into it. And sometimes I still am weak. And some people can rile me up in a certain way and get me to respond back. But for the most part, I don't do that. Sorry, guys. But that's just one of my journeys and the things that, you know, I can share with you guys because you're my people. You know, so, and I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Okay, so SHIB, I just kind of went out of SHIB real quick, and I will talk more about it. Sorry about that. IOTX was just on my mind a lot because I'm really trying to figure out how I can take advantage of that. But yeah, so Shiba Inu, this is one of the best meme coins ever to exist besides Dogecoin, in my opinion. But it rose to fame and rose in price so much faster into rank 11 because Dogecoin took years and years to even get over a penny. Right, to get a real substantial market cap behind it. And it was a joke coin for the most part. Now it's starting to be taken seriously, but Shiba has an actual project behind it. It has an exchange. It has an art incubator. It has a community that's ranked 11. Look how many people like this. 385,000 on here. Now let's go look on CoinMarketCap. I think it's over 2 million on here, but let's just check. I could be wrong. Shiba Inu. Okay, so it's 1.7 million. So I think it's, yeah, over 2 million combined. 385,000 watch lists that like it, or whatever people like it, and 101.7 million right here. And then that's only these two, right? That doesn't count Binance, Coinbase, all of the other, you know, watch lists and places that people look at crypto at. So this is one of the hugest communities ever. So, yeah. Okay, let's see what the price is on here. 5382, 5434. Okay, there's a difference. Hold on, let's actually 5405. Okay, hold on. No, let's do this one. Okay, so we just needed to reset that one. CoinMarketCap has a problem with keeping the normal price. I think this one's probably closer to the real price right now. Honestly, it's not a big difference, but I honestly think that this one's a little bit closer. So. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I know I'm worried about the bear market too, but not okay, I couldn't say worry. Let's take the word worry off the table. Just for all of us, for our sakes. Not saying, oh, you used the wrong word. No, I'm saying let's just take that word. We don't need to worry. Okay, let's prepare. There we go. I'm preparing about getting into the bear market. There you go. Take worry, replace it with prepare. And then you have a plan. So that's what we need to do. As crypto investors, as traders, not financial advice, but let's prepare for the bear market. Let's sell at whatever highest price we think it's going to be, which is going to be in the next month or two. Let's look at the past to judge the future, because the past often replays itself. So if we have a bear market every time in February, make sure all of your altcoins are sold before February. Everybody. Now, I almost want to say that's financial advice, but I can't, because it's not. But If I could, that would be the only financial advice I would tell people, is sell your crypto by February, your altcoins. Now, Bitcoin, if you're a long-term holder, I would still sell at the top and wait for the bear market and then buy more. But if you're a long, big whale long-term holder that is already bought at $2,000 and, then I might hold. I might not sell at the top and buy, because if I'm a big whale and I own $100 million worth of Bitcoin, if I sell at the top, it could possibly wreck the Bitcoin price, so they have to be careful. Most of the big whales like to buy it over the counter, so it doesn't manipulate the market. Now, I would love to be a rich investor, but there's so much to it. You can't just become rich and then go into Bitcoin and spend $1 million on Coinbase Pro, or say you're a billionaire just getting into crypto. You just inherited $1 billion from your great uncle or something, and now you're in the crypto market. You could really mess up the crypto market if you're buying over the counter. If you have, say you got $10 billion from your uncle and you want to invest half of that in crypto, well, you could tank the whole market on accident. So if you ever become rich, just be careful, and always talk to people that know more than you. So it's hard for us as people to say, yeah, someone knows something more than I do. But when you can humble yourself a little bit and know that a lot of people, that's why I like you guys to talk to me, and that's why I like you guys to give me information, because I know the value in other people's knowledge. It is the most important thing. It even says in scripture, it says, a fool does not listen to wise counsel. A fool thinks he knows everything. And so I know that everybody has something to offer. Even if I am the best at that field, there could be somebody even better than me, or that knows, or is the missing piece to what I can't figure out. So, yeah, that's what's happening, and we're getting ready for this alt season, and then this impending bear market that's going to happen. A lot of people want you to believe that this is a different cycle, that crypto is different now, that we're not going to have a bear market, that 2022 is just going to be all crypto all the time. Now, I want to agree with that. I want to say, yeah, let's all have happy days and roses and all make money, but I want to be realistic. There is a lot of money to be made, and how you obtain wealth is in these bear markets. You take all the money that you made in the bull market, get out at the top somewhere in December or January. December mainly for Bitcoin, Ethereum, January for certain altcoins. Certain altcoins will pump in December and then possibly in January, but some will dump in January or start dumping. So this is what you got to prepare for. I'm not worrying you. I'm just saying be aware. Take this worried and prepare it. That's all you got to do, and you'll be all right. And you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm going to point it out when it happens, and I'm not going to say, I told you so. I'm going to say, did you prepare? Good job. Straight up. I'm here to help you guys, not to... I always say that, and I know that you guys probably don't think that way, but there are people that do, that think, I'm not in it for the best of everybody. So when I say stuff like that, I don't mean it as a bad thing. I just, some people don't like to hear the truth, or just don't like to take advice, which is fine. If I buy Shiba and it drops to 2,000 sats rebound, it's way too functional for it to stay down. Now, I would agree with what you're saying right here. If it drops down to 2,000 sats because it will rebound, now, that is true. Is it going to happen in this bull market, though? Now, it could. But we have only 2 months to decide that. So if it does drop down to 2,000, it would be probably an 80% odds, not financial advice, that it will go up again before the end of the bull market. Because you're right, it just right now it's too functional, but it also has that community, man, and they love it. There's difference between a hobby and a mild obsession. And I think some people are mildly obsessed with Shiba Inu, honestly. But yeah, you're right. And I can't wait to... Have you guys used Shiba Swap? Has anybody used Shiba Swap? Maybe I'll do a video, because I want to see what that is. I mean, I've heard about it. I'm just curious. See, this is why I like crypto. I don't need Shiba Swap. I don't need to use Shiba Swap, but it's interesting to me. So I just kind of want to go use it and maybe buy Shiba. I don't know. Is it really expensive to buy over there? That's why I kind of want to know, like, from somebody before I do it. But maybe I'll be the somebody that shows you before you do it. Oh, you are. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's a bold move. Being 100% liquid right now. And if you guys don't know what that means he has no positions anywhere. All of his money are liquid assets right now. So, yeah, I think he is just waiting for a good buy-in price. I think that's what he's saying. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure he means he's waiting for a good buy opportunity. All of his money is out of crypto right now. Now, I wouldn't say that was smart for Bitcoin, but it depends on where you entered or if you were even in Bitcoin. So you could wait for a nice dip even with Bitcoin and get in and make some nice profits. So never count Bitcoin out, not financial advice. Oh, you did? Good. Minute today and gone. Oh, it left. Oh, dang it. You should have sold yesterday then, right? Ant predictions, yep. You want prediction? Well, I kind of gave you one, didn't I? I think we're probably going to a new all-time high. Again, I just do. I really think AMP has so that's why I got into AMP in the first place, guys. It wasn't just a whim. I don't do things just to put stuff in a crypto just because. Like, if you know me, you know I don't do that. So when I put money into AMP, it was because of Flexa. It was because of I was reading news that if new countries adopt Bitcoin, they're going to use the Flexa network, which is AMP, to use the Bitcoin Lightning Network, which is connected with the AMP token and the AMP, ecosystem with Bitcoin and countries. So that's why I think that it does, and it will just keep growing in value. I think it's going to go and be a 10 to 20 billion dollar market cap eventually. It's going to 3 to 4x in just the market cap. Whatever that does to the price is 3 to 4x, right? So it would be anywhere from, if it's at 6 cents now, to 18 to 24 cents at the next peak. Now, is it going to go to that peak right now in this bull market? I don't know. I'm more sure of Sheeb than I am of AMP doing that again, just because it's unpredictable. But it's already pumped several times, so it might have another one in it. So that I can't really tell you. Do I think if I was to flip a coin, I wouldn't do it for that 50-50. Because I think it's less than that. I think it's like a 25%. No. I think it's a 40% chance that it will spike. A little bit less than half. So I think to a new all-time high. That's what I mean in this bull market. I think there's a 40% chance. Now there's a 60% chance that it never does, and it waits till the next bull market. But if we start getting these news about countries adopting Bitcoin and the Lightning Network being introduced to McDonald's and other stuff there, then we're going to have another pump with AMP. That's why we had this pump right now, is because of Flexa and Bitcoin Lightning Network, El Salvador, and all those other countries. So that's what we need to do. Oh, Casting Crowns, nice. I haven't heard of them in a long time. Yeah. I don't even remember what Casting Crowns. That's a Christian group, isn't it? Not sure. It's selling for Binance USD. Okay. 5K before Thanksgiving. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, Ethereum might be right close to that 5K. I really think it's going to get to 6,500 before the end of the bull market. So, F at 5K and it doesn't even work. What the heck? It'll be there. It'll get there. Don't worry. It works better than Cardano smart contracts. Yeah, there's so many more trades on Ethereum than Cardano, guys. Because they have so many Ethereum tokens, that that's one of the reasons why Ethereum is so successful, right? It has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of billion-dollar tokens on it. That's why. I mean, if you look at all of the tokens with Ethereum, they equal more than Bitcoin for sure. Like the market cap of Ethereum and all the other tokens on Ethereum, I wonder what that is. I'm sure it's higher than Bitcoin's market cap. I mean, that's something I might do a video about, guys. Like, how much is Ethereum and all the tokens on Ethereum worth in total? Well, let's do well, you can't really do the math because there's more tokens out there. I was going to say, well, just minus Ethereum and Bitcoin from the market cap, and then whatever's left will be the altcoins that are on Ethereum. But no, there's Binance, there's all the other ones too, so that wouldn't work. I'd have to figure that. There's so many things. See, my brain thinks of a lot of cool stuff, guys. So if you like that, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and I think we're going to call it a night. Hold on. Coinbase 2, it gave me a quiz when I got it to 19. Okay. To get the Chromebook to actually... Right? Okay. Yeah, I will definitely hit you up if I need to, bro. We all need to do our inner council meeting, too. We've never had one, and I want to get that going, just so we all can get to know each other a little bit better, you know? We're going to be around each other for the next however long, so we might as well get to know each other, right? And I think you guys are awesome, so put 50 in and I'm with 70 in it right now, and I just don't know what to do. Well, you're already up to 70. That's pretty good, man. For your first time investing, it depends on what you are in, man. If that was my first investment and I put 50 bucks in and I made 70, depending on the crypto, I would get out. I would take that profit and then wait for it to go down and try it again. Except this time you have 70 to put in. Or you take the $20 profit, keep that 20 bucks, and put the 50 back in. And you just pocket the 20 bucks and keep doing that. That's what I would do. That's how I make money in crypto. Is I keep doing the trade, depending on the crypto. Like, when it goes up, I sell, and then I wait for it to go back down. Sometimes you have to wait a couple weeks. It's not an overnight thing all the time, but you could turn that money into more each and every, couple days or day. And if you put it in a different crypto, you don't have to keep putting it in the same one. Not financial advice, but that's what I would do. I would probably look for whatever crypto is going to pump real quick, put it in. Or now, it depends on what you're in. If you're only putting 50 bucks in and you're trying to make money, then yeah, you do that. But if you're trying to do for long term, then I would wait for a bear market and buy a bunch of Bitcoin. Like, for real, don't buy Bitcoin right now, guys. If you're trying to invest in Bitcoin, wait for a bear market. I hate to say that. It's just at 60,000. You can still make money if you buy on a dip. But wouldn't you rather buy Bitcoin when it's back down to $20,000? Because it's going to go back up to these prices again. You know that, right? So just be careful. I'd always say buy Bitcoin at a low price and hold it for a long time, 4 years. But if you only have 50 bucks, dollar cost average, put the little bit of money, take the 50 bucks, put 25 in Bitcoin, or 100 bucks, that would be, right? So you'd have to, 50 would be half of that. So 1250 into Bitcoin, or no, 25 into Bitcoin, 1250 into Ethereum, and 1250 into all other altcoins. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but if you do that and then you keep adding to it over and over and over and over again, then you definitely will be able to do that for sure. Yeah, we do. I mean, we all have mental downfall. We all have problems, but we overcome. That's the thing. We all have downfalls in this world. We all have things we got to overcome, but it's how you overcome them. It's what it makes you. Now, I've let the world turn me into a bitter person at times, and lately I've been really bitter, and I'm trying to shake it. I have to, because I can't be mad at the world for being the world, right? I know the world is going to be the way it is, but I've been really angry in traffic and stuff lately, and I'm trying to work on that because, yeah, it's just not me. I don't like getting mad, and we all have downfalls. Mine right now is anger. I have a really bad anger problem, and I'm working on it. And I had this anger before I started using drugs all those years ago. And even though all those years went by, I don't use drugs anymore, but the anger is still there. The anger problem never went away just because I did drugs for years. You know what I mean? So the problem's still there. And now I just have to learn how to deal with my anger. And I don't like it. I don't like being an angry person. I want to be happy. I want to be kind. I want to be the person that I'm meant to be. And it's hard because sometimes just being yourself is hard. Like, you're mad and you don't know why. Like, or you do know why. Just things keep happening that make you mad. But are you going to let it keep making you mad? That's the thing. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm just like, man, I can spend the rest of my life mad at everybody for everything, or I can just get over it and be happy and just whatever, bad things happen. You know, it's hard to get over them sometimes when they happen one after another, after another, after another, boom, like 95 in a row. It's hard to get over that. But eventually you will, and you'll keep going. So even if you have downfalls physically, whatever, dude, you can get over it, you can move past it, and you can persevere. You're a strong person. Never forget that. So, yeah, Discord is, I will get that to you right now. See, I will take time for one, not a customer, subscriber. I'm like, customer, friend, subscribe, not friend, subscriber, not subscriber, fan, no, subscriber. Trying to remember what that was. Oh, he did a good job with this, man. Good job, King Love. If you guys haven't seen, he did a good job with this Discord. So I'm going to invite you to the general. This link never expires. So I'm going to put it here in the chat right here if I can find it. There it is. Okay, here it is right here. So if you guys want to join the Discord, there it is, right there. Oh, you already did it. Oh, man, and it was right in front of my face, too. I didn't even look right below it. Good job, King Love, man. He's on it. See, these are good. Man, that's a good moderator right there. Look at him. I didn't even see he did that. Oh, and I didn't think it would let him post a link in here either. But I guess since he's a moderator, he can do that. Cool. That's good to know. Yeah, it's just on my laptop, bro. It is so vulnerable to anything. I don't trust a lot of apps on my laptop, bro. It is very vulnerable. That's the only reason, man. It's straight, simple. Not a big, you know. I understand where you're coming from. You might not understand it, but I have had my computer hacked before, and it was from apps like Telegram and Discord. So that's the only reason. But you have a lot of good information, but sometimes I can't use that because of things that have happened to me before that I have some trust issues with certain things, you know, like giving an app like Discord my access to my computer. There's firewalls on your. That's the reason. There's firewalls on your phone that aren't on your computer, and your phone protects you from those things that your computer doesn't, because of Google Play, because of all of those firewalls that they put in your mobile phone. So if you ever wanted to know if you're going to get hacked, it's most likely going to come through either a link that you open in your email or through some app that you use. And normally that doesn't happen with apps like Discord, but I've had it happen with Telegram and Discord. So that's why I don't put them on my laptop. I've had a bad experience with it. I might try again though, if I can verify that it's going to be safe. So I'll have to do some research. But yeah, I always trust, like what you say, I will research it, because if you're thinking it's safe, then maybe they have changed it. So I'll look into it, bro, for sure, because I trust you. Mana start to run as well. Volume is gradually rising. Yeah, it is. And it's a lot of volume too. These metaverse tokens just have billions and billions of dollars in volume. You know that, right? So this is big people money. Like, when I say that, I don't mean like big people. I mean like companies, like Facebook, like Reddit, like what is TikTok maybe? You know, isn't TikTok probably gonna want to have a cryptocurrency thing in it? Twitter is already doing Bitcoin tips. What other companies would benefit from having crypto and really buying a lot of it? Square, oh yeah, companies like that. Banks, Bank of America. Oh, when the banks get involved, you know they're using your money to buy crypto, right? If you don't buy crypto, the bank is gonna buy crypto with your money. You put your money in a bank instead of in crypto, and they use your money to invest in crypto for them. Oh, that's messed up, dude. You're like, I don't want to risk my money in crypto, but you put your money in the bank, and now they're risking your money on crypto. That's so funny, dude. Oh, man. And then if they go bankrupt, they just ask for a government bailout for your money. Just know that. That's why, yeah, decentralized finance, guys. Come on. When the bank is even using your money to invest in, you know, cryptocurrency, you need to start thinking of cryptocurrency. You are a whale. Yeah, I mean, from what you've said, yeah. I wouldn't want to be a whale, I don't think. Maybe I would. I don't know. Is it fun? Is it scary? Do you buy over the counter? I mean, there's so many questions I would have for you, dude. If you're really a whale, I would love to have you on the show, bro. Having a whale on the show, I mean, we would need some proof if we were going to have a show. But hey, if you could prove it, man, I'd love to have you on the show. I mean, I believe you, but if I was going to do a show on it, I would want, you know, like the goods. I want the goods, man. We need to see that wallet. That would be cool, man, if we could see your wallet. I've always wanted to see a whale's wallet. And I'd like to pick your brain on some stuff, man. If, like, you're really a whale, man, I would love to ask you, like, a lot of different things. I couldn't even think, like, what would one question I would want to ask you? How much of your total portfolio do you put in crypto? Stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, if I had a lot of money, how much would I invest in crypto? What other, if you're rich, what other investments do you make? Do you only invest in crypto? Do you invest in property? What amount of money do you have in each? Like, there's just so many things I would ask a whale. Like, what made you rich? You told me Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Well, what was your strategy, and can I do the same thing? These are the things. Like, if you became rich, this would be like having the Dogecoin millionaire on my show, because you became rich with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, if I remember correctly. So that would be cool, and to actually tell your story. I know maybe you don't like being on video. You told me, was that, I think that was you that told me that. Yeah, and you don't really like being on video, but maybe we could do a voice chat with you on there if you don't want to be seen, you know. But we would have to have like access to, not access to your wallet, but like see it, or like some, you know, something, just to let the fans, you know, be like, oh wow, this guy really is a whale. He really knows what he's talking about. That would be cool. So if you want to do that, definitely hit me up on Discord, bro, and we'll do an episode one of these days. I think everybody would like that too. I would. I mean, it'd be fun for me, so hopefully it'd be fun for you too. Loop Ring. Man, Loop Ring. I should have bought Loop Ring instead of New Cipher and Polymath, honestly, because they partnered with GameStop. They just blasted off after blasted off. They have layer 2 roll-ups on top of Ethereum. And so, yeah, Loop Ring is fire right now. So, what? Who? Oh, Joseph. Okay, we all have her. What did he say? Zach, wait patiently and watch on YouTube. And then he says, can you look at it again? I don't know what you're talking about there. Sorry. I'm just trying to figure out what this guy was saying. 285 high from 222 low. Scary. Mana is under control. They will manipulate it constantly. Buy the dips. Yeah. It's the metaverse. It's not that they're manipulating it as much. It's just that there's a lot of money coming in at one point. And there might be manipulation there. There might be. But there's a lot of money coming in and going out at the same time. That's the thing. you got so much money coming in, and then when people make their profits, they're getting out. And that's why you see the prices pump and dump. Because rich people are doing this. These are big money people. So when you have the prices swing from like, you know, however half of the money that the crypto is worth, all, you know, double the price and then back down a third of that right away, you know that somebody was in and buying a lot of it and then sold it. So okay, 5K at least. Okay. Bitcoin should not be traded ever. I don't agree with that. I love trading Bitcoin. I don't leverage trade, but I love trading Bitcoin. When I sell it at $70,000 at the top and then it goes back down to $20,000 and I buy back in, oh, I love it. That's the best thing in the world, the best feeling. Oh, okay, I see. Way too costly. I see what you were talking about. Shiba swap. Okay. Thanks, dude. Yeah, F gas prices suck, man. And buy Bitcoin and HODL it, period. That is never a bad idea. But at these prices, it is a little bit crazy to buy Bitcoin unless you're at a dip. So always buy the dip. Any crypto, you can buy the dip. If it goes much higher, you always can make money. Oh, yeah, duh. I love that song and the movie that they did. Yeah, I was just thinking it was for some reason I thought it was a pop group for a second, but no, I know who Casting Crowns are, yeah. A lady I know actually, oh no, that was King and Country. She actually cooked for King and Country. They were at her church. Only reason man is moving is because I bought it at 244 and told it to man I'm pumping. Football as well. Yeah, I've been having a crazy past few days too. Man, I'm pumping right now. That's tight. Yeah, I mean, you do so much for the channel, Weepin' One. I mean, I don't get mad, and well, I don't ever get mad, but I don't like start kicking people out until they not only don't show up for a long time, but they ignore me and don't answer my messages. That's the only time I'm like, well, guys, you can't just ignore me. Then I have to make room for another inner council member because inner council right now is the place to be. Why? Because they're the only ones who are going to get the next contest. I'm going to be giving away Bitcoin and crypto, and it's only going to be to the inner council. Well, what's the inner council? The inner council is a group of 10 members of the Bitcoin Renegade family, the Bitcoin Renegade army, and what they do is they make sure that they like and comment on my videos every single day, all 4 or 5 videos every day, and they have to come to at least one live stream per week and basically just support the channel whenever they can. And we have a meeting that we're going to start doing once a month. Now, why do you want to be in the inner council and how do you get in it? You want to be in it because of the prizes. I give them, like, so on Express Crypto, when I pay everybody in Satoshis to like and comment my videos, I give the inner council more every day than them. So, like, if I'm giving 100 satoshis to everyone else, they will get anywhere from 120 to 150 satoshis. Or if I'm giving, 50, I will give them 70. They'll always get more than the regular person. Plus, that's kind of a new thing I've been doing. Plus, they will be able to attend the next big giveaway, which is going to be, I'm not 100% sure how much money I'm going to give away. It depends on the monetization of the channel. It's going to be at 2,000 subscribers is when we're going to have the contest, and it's going to be like a crypto trivia contest for all the inner council, and there's going to be like maybe 20 questions, and whoever gets the most questions right about crypto, and it'll all be in the chat, so it will help the channel. you'll have to do all the answers and stuff in the chat, and then, but we'll make a big thing of it. And I don't know, it'd be $50 prize or something, I don't know. And how do you get in the inner council? Well, you like and watch the videos as much as possible. Maybe do it so much that it annoys me. You watch so many videos and comment on so many videos that I can't help but notice you. That's one way. Another way, just like and comment a bunch. Have good comments. Be positive. Interact with the community. Just get my attention in some way by being positive. Now, negative attention isn't going to work to get you in the inner council. So, don't try that, which most of you probably wouldn't anyway. But, anyway, I just like to make the rules known just so someone can't say, well, you didn't say that we, couldn't be jerks to you. But, yeah. So, that's what you do. If you want to enter the inner council, just get my attention by being, as active as possible. Comment, like, subscribe. What else can you do? Share. You can share it on your social media, especially Twitter, because it sends me a note whenever something is retweeted of mine. On Facebook, you can share it to Facebook groups. I'm just saying, if you want to get in the prize pool, there's only 10 people. So one of those 10 people are going to win money, and maybe 2 or 3 actually. So I don't know what we're doing with that yet. So maybe even 2 or 3 out of 10 people are going to get prizes. So that's why it's good to be in the inner council. There's other things, like when I monetize the channel and we have a members only group, you guys will get to join the first tier of that group for free. So you'll have an automatic upper hand on everybody on the channel. You'll have a little emoji in the chat. You will basically get special privileges for the channel that only paying members will get, and you won't have to pay for it. So there's a lot of good things to be in the inner council. So I hope it works out, and I hope you guys are happy and having fun. And I'm doing this for all of us, guys, not just myself. Like, yeah, it is going to be good to possibly have a future and a career if this works out. But for now, I'm, just doing everything I can to interact and communicate and just be build a community with you guys. So. For sure. Yeah, I'll send you prayers for sure. God, please bless Weeping One and her family and just bless them in Jesus' name. Amen. It's completely 100% safe and you'll never get hacked, trust me. When I click that link, it looks like I'm already. Oh, wait. Still working on the Streamlabs integration. It's all up to Jeff using the. Yeah, it has grown a lot. Thank you. And I couldn't have done it without you guys, man. It really touches my heart that you guys are here and sticking with me. A lot of people left the channel. We had a different inner council kind of before. Now it's kind of a whole new inner council of people. There's still a few of the original members, but only a few, like Sahan Vishwantha, Askio Owen, Amar Banarashad, and I think that's it of the original group. Ed Ramos maybe was there. King Love, I think you came late. Yeah, you came later. I think Ed did come later too. Yeah, because it was Andy Kuru, Jay Gower. Yeah, there was a bunch of guys in there first. So we had to switch a bunch of them out because they got busy or just couldn't get on the channel anymore or whatever reason there was. Seeing your wallet. Lockbox under my house. Can't share an offline treasure. Oh, dang it. That would be cool to just see your wallet on chain, though. Can you get... I mean, yeah, I don't know. That sucks. That would have been cool to see your wallet. I don't think I would trust to share it either, though. Like, honestly, on it, but I don't know. Maybe I would. Okay, that's cool. Best feeling on making 3x on Bitcoin. I think we're gonna at least 2x it right now, depending on when you bought in. If you bought in at like 30,000, yeah, you're probably gonna 3x at least. So okay, 1,000. Oh, so you made $1 million, almost $1 million. Because I remember they said if you used $1,000, if you spent $1,000 on sheep 6 months ago, you would have over $1.1 million. So, I mean, I guess $1 million is kind of a whale. It's a small whale, but a whale nonetheless. And then you said you also did Dogecoin too. So, did you make $1 million from Doge too? Dang. That can auto kick people that spam, have preset moderation rules, and bridge chat between Discord, Twitch, and YouTube. Yeah, but I don't want to. I don't know, man. That's a lot of integrate. I didn't even really want to do TubeBuddy. I don't know. That's a lot. I get overwhelmed when a lot of stuff happens like that. I don't know if I want to do that. So, maybe I will. I don't know. I'm going to talk to some people, especially people that know security issues and that will have my best interest in heart. I know you do too. I just want to make sure from, a couple different people. I always research more than one area, for sure. So I'll definitely think about that. All right, guys. That is about all we have for tonight. I thank all of you for stopping by. I know I rambled for a while tonight, but we had fun. We talk about normal life issues here sometimes. You guys are more than welcome to do the same in the chat. I'll respond to you. I'll listen if you need someone to talk to. I'll pray for you. Serious, like, I'll use this channel for our community as well, guys. So yeah, it's about crypto, but the basis of our channel here is the community. It is one another, to come together as a crypto community and bring value to each other in any way that we can. We all have something to offer, right? And it's just like the body of, the church of God, right? So we're all part of a body here, a working body. I'm the channel, like I'm the head. That sounds kind of conceited, but the channel is the head, like YouTube and me, and you guys are like the body, and social media like Twitter and Facebook are the arms, and the YouTube algorithm is the heart or the brain. I'm always the brain. And sharing is the heart and the blood supply. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of trippy sometimes. So, sponsors go here. I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah, sponsors go here. If you want to sponsor the channel, let me know, and I will put your logo right here. It's only going to be like $1 million a minute, so it's really cheap. We'll negotiate a price here. So contact me for AMA or sponsorship. Now, don't forget to check out my TikTok, Bitcoin Renegade, over there on TikTok. I have some of my cat videos over there, some cool videos I created, and just some crypto videos too, some shorties. So every like and comment and sub makes me smile, so God bless you all. Follow me on Reddit, Twitter, and Instagram, all at Renegade0264. And do me a huge favor, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like this content if you like to see not only crypto content, but letting you know kind of like past things that happen in crypto. If you like me incorporating real life or the unboxing, there were so many things that this video has that I just jam-packed in this 2 hours. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye.